सर शके मुस्लिम में है मीसा का असर पैदा, खलील अल्लाह के दरिया में होंगे फिर गोहर पैदा। The tears of forgiveness dropping from the eyes of Muslim Ummah has been turned into a blessed rain by Allah. And with this blessed rain, once again there will be pearls created in the river of Prophet Ibrahim. In other words, Muslim world is asking for forgiveness, and Allah has accepted their forgiveness. And very soon Allah will create a new generation of Muslims who will be more intelligent, who will be more resourceful, who will be more powerful from the Ummah of Prophet Ibrahim.